Good day, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share a simple and fun introduction to the periodic table of elements. This table is one of the most important tools in chemistry, and by the end of this presentation, you'll understand why it's so powerful. What is the periodic table? The periodic table is a chart that organizes all the chemical elements based on their properties. A chart showing all the steps that makes up everything. It organizes so things with similar traits are near each other. It helps scientists understand how things work together. Think of it like a sitting chart, but instead of students, we have elements. Each element's position on the table tells us something important about it, like how it reacts with others. Structure of the periodic table. The periodic table is arranged in two key ways. One is groups. These are the vertical columns. Elements in the same group have similar properties. For example, Group 1 is called the alkali metals, and they're all very reactive. Number 2. Periods. These are the horizontal rows. As you move across a period, the atomic number increases, meaning the number of the protons in the atom increases. Key features of the table. Here are some important parts of the periodic table. Metals, found on the left side. They're shiny and great conductors of the heat and electricity. Nonmetals, found on the right side. Many are gases, like oxygen or brittle solids. Noble gases. These are in group 18. They don't react easily with other elements, which is why helium is safe for balloons. Trends in the periodic table. The periodic table also shows patterns or trends that helps us predict how elements behave. Atomic size gets smaller as you move across a period and larger as you move down a group. Reactivity. Metals get more reactive as you move down a group, but nonmetals get less reactive. These trends make the periodic table more than just a chart. It's a tool for understanding chemistry. Okay, let's test what we've learned. Here are some questions. 1. Name a metal in group 1. 2. Which group contains the noble gases? 3. What happens to atomic size as you move across a period? Here are the answers. Number 1. Sodium. 2. Group 18. 3. It gets smaller. Great job! You've got the correct answer. To sum it up, the periodic table is like a map for chemistry. It organizes elements in a way that helps scientists understand their properties and predict their behavior. Whether you're studying metals, gases, or trends, the periodic table is your best friend in chemistry. Thank you for listening, and feel free to ask any questions. That's all. Thank you.